Vanakkam everyone, welcome to our Udemy course designed to guide you through the beautiful world of Tamil writing. This course is perfect for beginners, and we'll start with the very basics, covering everything from the Tamil alphabet, vowels, and consonants, to essential grammar rules and writing technique. Step-by-step method to write Tamil letters. Here you can see step-by-step guide to write eng. Likewise, in this course, you can find step-by-step to write all the Tamil letters. In this course, for you to better understand, the images for the words are also given. Rules for combining words are explained very clearly. We'll also highlight common mistakes to avoid, ensuring you build a strong foundation. In this course, you can find how to write Tamil essays and how to answer comprehensive passages. You will find lots of practice lessons and model papers starting from grade 1. By doing this model papers, you can test your Tamil writing knowledge. Remember, consistency is key. Dedicate a specific time each day to practice Tamil writing. This consistent effort will foster familiarity with the language and build your confidence over time. Thank you.